Hi, and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, I've got a list of clients in column A, and I'd like to be able to sort them by their last names. But the problem is the last names are in the same cell as the first name. So when I go to sort by going to my data tab and clicking my A to Z sort button, of course it's using the left to right characters, so I can't actually sort directly by the last names. So what I need to do is split the names apart. So I'm going to select that range A2 through A6, and on the data tab of my ribbon I'll choose text to columns. The text to columns word allows me to split the data apart, and there are two basic methodologies here. One labeled delimited, which simply means that there is a separator that I can use to tell Excel how to break the data apart. In some older data sets that maybe were downloaded from an old mainframe computer, you might have a scenario where your data is described as having the first name in position 1 through 15, for example. And in that case, if your first name is longer than 15 characters, it would just get truncated. So we run into that data a lot less frequently these days. And in this scenario, we can stay with delimited. So I click next, and Excel guesses incorrectly that there's a tab character separating my names. So I'm going to choose space. Now I'm actually typically in the habit of unchecking tab, but the fact that there is no tab character, using or checking space, it doesn't matter that the tab option is still checked because there's no tab character in my data. It's important that I check space because that is the character separating my first and last names. I'll go to the next step of the wizard, and you have some options here. For example, if the data that you were splitting apart had date values in it, you could specify the date formatting. I don't have any of that going on in this particular case. What I am going to change, though, is this destination. So right now it says that my destination is A2. I could click there and change my destination to B2. In other words, it would leave my original data in column A and start putting the results in cell B2. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Finish, and now I see my results have been split out, starting with cell B2 as the destination. And now I'll title these columns as first name and last name. I'll go ahead and make those cells bold, which makes it easy for Excel to identify row 1 as my header row. So now when I click a single cell in column C and use the A to Z sort button, now Bird is at the top with Thomas at the bottom. That's it. That's text to columns. Thanks for watching. Please come back soon for more Excel videos. Have a productive day.